Welcome back to the Infinity Show. Happy Monday. Stock market is closed, but futures market is open till 1 p.m. Eastern time. How you guys feeling, man? Hope you had an amazing weekend. Hope everyone is doing well. Let's keep on going, guys. So I scalped the open yesterday. We had some good action at the open, so I just scalped off of VWAP to the upside. Friday's highs were still hanging. They're still holding, so we'll see. But we're getting some pullback right now. 22,200 is my compass for the bulls to see if they can keep it to the upside. Hold on. Here we go. I do like a 3 minute. So we'll see if they can hold this line. Key level. Watching this trend right here. Let's see if it's clear on the other one. Let's go. Let me see. No mic. Excuse the audio. Good morning, D. What are you trading? Welcome to the stream, D. Are you trading anything this morning? It's a short day, but I'm asking everybody if they see anything, any possible plays. NQ, okay. I scalped the open yesterday. So I'm trying a new strategy with my Topstep accounts, extending my stop by 5 points and shrinking size slightly. So we'll see what happens with that. So far so good though. I was able to get in at VWAP at the open, and we got a push to the upside. So for this XFA and this XFA, 240, and I'm done for the day. That's what I'm aiming for. 200 per day. Get the payout. Request the payout. The goal this week is not to overtrade. Hit my target and stop. Nice. Salute to you, D. How long have you been trading? So all last year I did 10 points. So that tells you how precise my entry had to be. It's a tight stop, but that forced me to be precise with the entry. But now I'm going to 15. I'm going to try 15 out and see if that helps me with the fake outs. So I'm extending it by 5 points. So we'll see. I'm going to test it this week. But all last year was 10 points. 10 points and stop. It literally forced me to be precise. So and you know, with NQ's range, you have to be on point because it moves so much. So that forced me to wait for my setup, and I think that made me better at entries, but I did get faked out quite often. So we're gonna extend it by 5 and see what happens. Nice. I started futures last year, first quarter last year. I got my first payout in May, and I haven't looked back since. But the beginning is a struggle. It's definitely a struggle. What did you start with? You're trading Topstep now. I was exclusive with Apex most of the year last year. I got into Topstep fourth quarter last year, fourth quarter 2024. So I started futures first quarter 2024. Started with Apex, stuck with Apex all the way through the year, most of the year, and then Topstep, Buell Knox, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, all of that came like fourth quarter of 2024. People say, everybody was saying diversify. If you can be successful with Apex, then you can be successful with other props. And they say it's important to diversify because everybody's changing their rules. If you diversify and have multiple props going, then you can prop stack and then pull payouts from multiple props, and then it'll compound. And that's kind of what happened into the end of last year. Started getting Topstep payouts. I was like, okay, so if I add on to Apex, then it'll compound the payouts, and that's the goal. But yeah, right now, what do I have? I have Apex, Topstep, Buell Knox, Take Profit Trader. I have 3 masters on Buell Knox that I need to activate. Got a couple Apex accounts and tops. I have Topstep, Take Profit Trader. I think I got like an eval on there. That's number 4 on the list. But right now is Topstep, Apex, Buell Knox. Those are my top 3 for right now. I do want to try Tradeify as well. Yeah. Nice. Keep it going. Yo, join the Discord. Link in the description. Join the Discord. But yeah. So I trade order blocks, FEGs. VWAP is like probably my favorite indicator, and EMAs. So I trade EMAs on the daily chart. So I keep it simple. Levels, high lows of the day, pre-market high low of QQQ, SPY, and I just overlap all of those confluences. And that's how I enter. I love VWAP entries, especially off of support, high low of the day, of previous day. So yeah, I mark off levels. High lows of the day are powerful for me. Then I just ride it to the next high of the daily or the next low of the daily, whichever one is in play on that day. Yes, I use confirmation. So I use ES. I also use SPY and QQQ. QQQ and NQ go hand in hand. So if you see NQ randomly turn around, I'll go look at the QQQ chart and it'll show me that, oh, that was pre-market low. That's where we turned around. Or I'll see SPY start taking off. I'll start paying attention to NQ to see if NQ and QQQ will follow. But yeah, I definitely use ES and SPY for confirmation. That's where the volume is, so that's where I'm at. I watch everything. When I say I watch everything, I watch everything. Let me see if I can find it. Because everything plays off of each other, so it's good to watch everything. And the algos, you better believe the algos are watching everything. They're programmed to watch everything. Not even watch everything, but in terms of their code, it includes everything. SPY, QQQ, all the indices. Let me see if I can find it. Roman, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Shout out to D and Roman. Let me see if I can find let me see what I can find. Give me 1 second, guys. Where is my mic? Nice pop back up for NQ. That 22,200 level is key. Let me see. Just joined the Discord looking for friends to trade. Absolutely. Shout out to Roman. How do I get into Market Talk channel? All right, so I'll put that into the Discord. Roman, what are you trading and how long have you been trading? Whoa. Nice pop. Things are moving. Uh-oh. I don't even have the thing on. Sorry about that. Whoa. Alright, so when I say I'm watching everything, this is what I mean. I'm watching SPY. Oh, another thing, D, that I trade are fibs. Fibs are very important. So I overlay fibs over pre-market range and previous day range on QQQ. It's very interesting how the fibs hold, and they play off of each other. So NQ's fibs play off of QQQ's fibs, and QQQ's fibs play off of NQ's fibs. It's very interesting to watch. So those Topsteps are new for you. What other funders do you have? I have Apex and Beal Knox, and I'm trying to get some. So I'm trying to work my Topstep to pro accounts. Not Topstep. Take Profit Trader. These are new. Yeah, these are 2 XFAs. Those are new. So this is day 1. So I had some XFAs in January, but I blew them. So so it's time to rebuild. Whoa, let me see. Yeah, I blew them, so I have to get them back. So I'm building back up. January, I was out of town. I was out of the country in January, so January was all over the place for me. So now I'm getting back on the horse, getting back on it. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I'm back. I'm at the office. I'm going back and forth. Roman, how do I get into that? So those Topsteps are new for. Yep, these are new right now. Yeah, I had a couple. I was pulling payouts from them, but yeah, January, I broke some rules and blew them. So now I gotta build back. Guessing the 2,500 was from Apex Payouts. Oh yeah, these are Apex Payouts. Yeah, Apex Payouts. Yep. I was on vacation in January, so getting things back in order. Trigger bait up. Fibs hit. I'm just recently starting to look at fibs. Yep. Fibs and FEGs, you start overlaying, you'll start seeing levels to line up, and you'll see moves off of those levels. Gabby G is in the building. Everybody say what's up to Gabby G. My friend. Good morning, Gabby G. Gabby G, did you trade anything today? It's a short day, so I'm not really. I traded the open yesterday, so I'm just watching for right now. Shout out to Gabby G in the building. Let's go. I don't have my mic right now, so excuse the audio. We're getting reversal at VWAP right now. It's gonna be interesting. Even on the short days, even on short days like this, you'll get a move out of nowhere. Let me see if I can find. Yeah. Yeah, a bit on the red though, so slow, but I'm going 60 miles without blowing up my account. Of course. Play small. I mean, you know, it's a holiday, so volume is just gonna fluctuate. It's gonna be on the lower side, but don't force it. Don't force it. We have a whole week ahead, so take your time. Play small. Usually in like low volume environments, I'll shrink my size for sure by like half. Shout out to Gabby G back in the building. Oh, let me see. I gotta double check. I gotta keep double checking. Shout out to you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. Let's keep on going. Like, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord. We got a free chat in there. Let's get some dialogue going on. Let's see. Yep. So we had some volume. We had some volume at the open. So I kind of just used that momentum to scalp these two accounts. So 200. The goal this week is to get the payout. The goal is to get the payout. So I have 2 express accounts right now on Topstep. The goal this week is to get to payout. I'm aiming for my pockets, and once I get over 200, I'm not going below 200. I'm not going to be greedy this week. Not going to be greedy. Shout out to Gabby G, D, and Roman in the chat. Let's go, guys. I'm in the office. Excuse the audio. I don't have my mic with me. Tomorrow we'll be back with the mic. Excuse the audio. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We're doing this every day I can. Join the Discord, the free chat in the Discord. Link in the description. Yeah, D. That's a good way to do it. Yeah, we all tilt, man. You're not alone. I was tilting all January. It was my birthday. I was breaking all the rules. I was out of the. I was trading while on vacation. December, I was disciplined all the way through. Disciplined all the way through. Then it's birthday time in January. Man, wasn't getting enough sleep. I was in tilt mode, but I'm back on the horse, man. It's February. I gotta lock in. So yeah, I wasn't trading Apex that much in January. I was trading Topstep while I was on vacation, but yeah, I was trying to avoid the markets, but it's hard to avoid the markets, even on your birthday. But yeah, we're gonna get back in action. Let me see. What else do we have to do? Alright. We're getting a clean rejection off of VWAP. We'll see if we go back down to 22,200 to retest. Yes, D, but that's a good way to do it. Withdraw and always keep that 2,000, right? Yeah. I've definitely learned that lesson. I think I've had like because that drawdown pops to zero once you take a payout. So ideally, if you want to take like ideally you want to get way over 2,000 for the balance. But at the same time, if you don't have a hard stop for the day, as soon as you get the payout, take it. Take it, because I've seen people get up. They're at payout. They're trying to extend their balance, right? Increase their balance. They'll go on tilt. They'll run into a day with a consolidation day, choppy action, and they'll blow the account. But you have the right idea. If you're be disciplined, make sure you don't give up the payout. I've seen people just go into tilt mode and they'll have the payout locked in, but they'll just be so focused on increasing that balance that they blow the account. I'm like, what are you doing? stop. Knowing how to stop and knowing when to stop is very important. Very important. I've been there. I've done that. I've done the same thing. I had a Apex account at Payout, and I was so focused on increasing that, leaving with a green day, that I blew the payout. And then after you come to, and it's like, what did I just do? What did I just do? So it's good to have a plan. Now with Apex, it's strict. It's like for 50K accounts, 2 to 300 loss on the day, I'm done for the day. For 150K accounts, 400 down, I'm done for the day. And on each account, I'm doing like 1 to 1, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So when I hit that, I'm done for that account. Then I'll move on to the next account. If I hit that, I'm done. Move on to the next account. So I'm trying to get back to 20 accounts on Apex. Trying to max out Topstep as well. I want 5 XFAs. If I can get 5 XFAs overlapping each other, I'll use that to fund the other props. So Trader 5, Buell Knock, Take Profit Trader, Apex. But in terms of all the props, Topstep, I get to pay out the quickest with Topstep because it's 5 days. So yeah, I get to pay out quickest with them. So I'm gonna use that prop. I'm gonna use Topstep to fund everything else. Hey Dave and Roman, I'm gonna bump you guys up. Be right back, guys. Cherv is in the building. Shout out to Cherv. Yeah, it's light volume right now. It's light. It's a holiday, so the markets aren't moving. QQQ isn't moving, so it's, yeah. I played the open Cherv. Caught a play all the way over here. Played the look at the move we had off of the open. The move off the open was nice. Look at this. We had trend line, and then we took off. We tested 22,200, and look at where we ripped to. Ripped like 70 point, 80 points. This was last night. Yeah, 82 points off of these levels. That's what I played. So off of these levels, I was like, I sold into this push right here. And I'm stopping. This week we're not overdoing it. There were a couple of times I ran up an Express account, a fresh Express account, to like 3K, 4K in January. And as we were going up, I was like, let me play bigger. And ended up blowing the accounts. So right now we're gonna go back to how we started, bit by bit, get to payout, create more accounts, and build off of that. January I was just all over the place. It was my birthday month. I was being greedy, breaking my rules, but I'm reeling it back in. It's February. I'm back on it. Oh, let me move that. But yeah, and look where we're bouncing off of these FVGs down here. 22,200 is a key level. We had two major bounces over here at the open. Bop, bop. So let's see, we can draw it out. This is the MNQ chart. So we were riding it all the way up until the open. The bears came in pretty hot at the open. Yeah, we rode this trend all night. And we imploded right here. But now the bulls are trying to push things back up and reclaim that trend. So we'll see. We shall see. This is the 5 minute? Oh, okay, there we go. Make it a little bit clearer. 15 minute. Yeah, you can see it clearer on this one. Yeah, the open we had a nice rip. That was a nice rip. We also retested Friday's close. So they reclaimed Friday's close over here, and we took off. But now we're trying to reclaim that, this trend line. See where she can go. This is the 15 minute, by the way. Excuse the audio, guys. I don't have my mic. I'm in the office. Bear with me. We're gonna make it to the close, guys. Power hour in 1 hour, guys. Absolutely, Chirp. This is an ongoing journey. The trading game is an ongoing journey. You have to constantly refine. Here and there, you might slip off the tracks, but the key is to get back on the tracks. Don't slip off of the tracks and keep going off the tracks. Like, get back on the tracks. We're human. We all make mistakes, right? This tilt thing is real. So you have to put parameters in place so that you avoid those so that you avoid going on tilt. And repetition is key, man. I've gone on tilt plenty of times, but I learned from it, and it doesn't happen as often now, right? So yeah, the key is to make it decrease the bad habits, increase the good habits, right? So at first, when I first got in the prop game, I was tilting it, man, all week, but then I started to pull things back. I was like, okay, I can't just full port. This thing will take strategy if I want to get a payout. So I started strategizing, and I was like, okay, it's good to have a stopping point. Okay, and I started studying the guys that are taking hundreds of thousands from the props. They're like, they have a stopping point. They don't go on tilt. Here and there they'll go on tilt, but for the most part, they have a strategy and they stick to that strategy. So yeah, it's an ongoing process. This is a marathon. Consistency over home runs. Base hits win the game. I have 2 base hits on XFAs right now. I'm gonna end the day with that. I'm gonna end the day with the base hits. I'm not trying to hit a home run. I'm taking my time. Base hits win the game. 5 days of 200, I can request a payout. And then use those payouts to fund other props. And then keep building. So February and March will be my building months. I gotta get things back in order. And get back to these consistent payouts. Yeah, but it's kind of slow today. You can tell. You can definitely tell it's slow. The volume isn't there like that right now. We have power hour in 1 hour. Markets close at 1 p.m. Yeah, we might get some chop. And then markets open back up at 6 p.m. Eastern time. We'll see. Yeah, light volume right now, guys. Nothing much going on. The big move was off of the open. We had a nice move. And we got a nice move off of 22,200 as well this morning. The bears came in hot off of the open. ES bulls are getting active. They're pushing toward overnight highs. We'll see. We will see. 16. Yeah, they want overnight highs. We'll see if they get there. Bulls are trying to get up there. We'll see if they can get up there. Daily charts look extended. We could get some pullback, but we'll see. It's a holiday, so this price action is going to be random today. Not much volume. Pop, pop, pop. Let's see if they can reclaim this trend line back to the upside. We'll see if they reclaim. Power hour in 40 minutes, guys. Early day today. Early day. Short day. Let's see what the Bulls can do to close the short day. Power hour at 12 noon Eastern time. Shout out to Try 150. Welcome to the Infinity Show. Glad to have you here. Hope you're doing well. What do you trade? How long have you been trading? Shout out to Churv. Shout out to Roman. Shout out to Dave. Shout out to Gabby G in the chat. Gabby G is back. Shout out to Gabby G. Try 150. Let me know how long you've been trading and what you trade. Nice. 5 years NQ. Man, I can't wait to be like you. So I started in 2016 with 2016 with shares. I was trading penny stocks. There were no trading gurus anywhere. I was just feeling my way through the dark. Started with in 2016 with shares, penny stocks, trading no name companies. Then 2019, 2020 came in to the pandemic. Then I moved to options. Options, had some success with options, and I was like, wow, I like the leverage. Then I got into futures last year. So I did options from 2020 up until last year. I still do options, but now I do long term. So I do leaps. So 6 months out, a year out, I have 2026 calls, that type of thing. So I just let those work in the background, and then futures, I'm doing that every day. Someone introduced me to the prop space, and I was like, oh, okay. I like futures because there are no Greeks involved, clean levels, plenty of volatility with NQ. I can get used to this. With options, I was trading 0 DTE. I was all over the place, but saw some success, made some money, lost some money. But futures has been consistent for me. I started futures first quarter last year with the props, and then I got my first payout in May, and it's been ever since. Haven't looked back. Live Records is back. Shout out to Live Records. I do. I work in healthcare. So, yeah. So I do have a job, but it's part time right now. And I'm an entrepreneur, so I have some businesses on the side as well. Live Records. So how did I get this 200? Right? Okay, let's break it down. So I used 2 minis. We can break it down. So at this level, right, we had the opening candle is always crazy, right? So I let things settle down, right? And I know from Friday, 22,200 was a key level. So I used that as my compass, right? So we came down, we tested it. I think I took a small play on the first account, 2 minis, 15 point stop. So I used 22,200 as my compass, and I entered right around that level, and I got this small push right here, right? I got my 200 through VWAP. I cut it. That was my target. I could have let it keep going, but at this point, I'm like focused on getting this payout. So whenever my profits get to like 200 or above, I'm moving that stop up immediately. If the price action comes down and stops me out, I'm okay with that. When you're in the prop game, you got to play the game. So what this Topstep wants you to do, get 200 per day. So for 5 days, and you can request a payout. So that's my goal for this week. So that was for the first account. Then I saw the price action pull back down to that 22,200 level, and I was like, okay, we're gonna do this again. So I did this with the second XFA, and we got a bigger rip, but I cut it into this rip. Same thing. I think I used 1 mini for this one. So 2 minis for the first play, 15 point stop loss. 1 mini for the second play, 15 point stop loss to the upside, and I caught this rip off the open. From what I see some volume at the open. On a Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern, you get some volume. It can get volatile. Sometimes it's flat, but from what I've seen, the opens can be pretty volatile. Just like New York session open. Does that make sense? Live Records. Shout out to Live Records, Roman. Shout out to Try 150. Shout out to Churb. Churb is back. Gabby G is back. Shout out to Dave. Let's keep going, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Free chat, free Discord chat in the description. Link in the description. Hit the like button, guys. It's free. Bulls are definitely pushing back up. I thought we were gonna fade, but again, that 22,200, that's been the level to watch. Even since Friday, it's been the level to watch. We bounced here, nice pops. So we'll see if the bulls can get back to pre-market, not pre-market, but overnight highs. Yep, keep it simple. Look, simplicity wins the game. Don't overcomplicate things. Do not overcomplicate it. There's no reason to overcomplicate it. Try your see like get a feel for your personality. Everybody trades differently. I know 10 different traders that trade 10 different ways and they're all profitable. So find your niche. Find what you're comfortable with and tweak it and keep refining it until you start seeing more profits than losses. And there you go. Rinse and repeat. Give me 1 second, guys. Bulls are pushing, man. Let's see what they can do. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I got all these alarms going off. Sorry about that. What was that, 11:30? Yeah. That means it's almost lunchtime. Indeed, Live Records. Keeping it simple. Nope. Nope. Not yet. Not yet, Dave. $22,200 is looking like a base. Can they hold it? That's the only thing. If you look at the daily is kind of extended. Let's see if we can go all the way. Is it the daily or the... That's, yeah, that thing is in the... Look at that pullback. 22,000. Yikes. Yeah. Those are your all-time highs. But look at your pullback. If the bears decide to turn things around, this could be a Well, this is a holiday too. If they decide to pull things back, we got a long way now. But we'll see. Trump speaks tomorrow. Who knows? Trump speaks tomorrow. All-time highs are 22, 448.50. Could we push? I've seen NQ do it, but we need to see how things rock and roll tomorrow. Do we get a pullback, or do we extend the lead and go for all-time high? We shall see tomorrow. Tomorrow should be fun. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, look, Dave, we're already on the trust me, that's on the list. I want to trade and travel. That's the goal. Trade and travel. Trade and travel. Time and money freedom is the goal, guys. Make sure the family's good. Make sure everyone is good. That would be great. I was on the plane trading like a couple months ago. It was the best feeling. I was like, I'm on vacation, and I'm trading in the air, making money for a payout. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Dave, well, I'm on the same page. Look, Dave, you're in the Discord. We'll talk. Live records. Did you trade anything today? Shout out to Gabby G, Churv, Roman, Dave. Live records, Churv. Where's Devin at? Devin isn't in the chat. Yeah, people are taking off, man. It's a holiday. People are relaxing. We'll see how Power Hour pans out. We got an hour and a half left in the markets. How long are you over there now? How long have you been over there? I have some guys in Bangkok. We're getting a rejection off that trend line, right? We just drew that trend line. So the trend line that was acting as support overnight is now acting as resistance. I was looking to see if we could bust through, but we couldn't get through. So previous support, now resistance. Whoa, they're starting to pull. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is at highs. Are those overnight highs? Yeah, that was this is last week, right? Oh, so we're turning around at overnight highs for ES, and that's pulling NQ down. So we got these guys. We got FEG right here too. That's 5 minute or 15 minute. Let's see. It's definitely a 15. Wow. Shout out to Dave. Out there 3 years, nice. I was stuck in the US for 2 years during the pandemic. The pandemic threw everything off. It was crazy. People were definitely stuck in the on vacation for years. I know some people that were stuck. They couldn't get out. They couldn't maneuver. It was crazy. Countries weren't letting people in. They weren't letting them out. It was crazy. Shout out to Churv. All right, so let's see if VWAP holds. VWAP. We got a 1 hour FEG. We got a 15-minute FEG. Let's see if there's some bulls that can hold this line. We'll see if VWAP holds. Key level. VWAP is lining up right with the midpoint of the 1 hour FEG. We'll see if they can hold. 22,236 roughly. All right, Dave. We'll see you tomorrow. Jeez Louise. Is my alarm going off again? Sorry. I got all these alarms going off, man. Trying to stay on point. Okay. Sorry about the alarm. I'm at the office. Things are whirlwind. Bulls are holding VWAP. We'll see. Power hour coming in hot. 9 minutes. Shout out to Dave. We'll see you tomorrow, Dave. No positions right now. I already played the open, so that's yesterday. So right now we're just watching the price action off of 22,200. 22,200 looks like a good level of support right now. Shout out to Upmost. Welcome to the Infinity Show. 2200, 200 has been holding. Got some FVGs down here. We'll see if the bulls can run things up into power hour. ES looks like she wants to get back to pre-market, not pre-market, but overnight highs. There's definitely a line up here. Definitely some type of, what is that? 22,146. Oh, not 22. 61.47. 61.50, 61.40, maybe like 61. Yeah, 47. What are the highs looking like? 46, 47. Yeah, there's something up here. We'll see if the ES can pop up. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We're on this every day. Every day I can, I'm on here. Let's go. ES is trying to sneak up there. We'll see if ES can sneak up to and print fresh highs, get above overnight highs. Shout out to Upmost in the chat. Shout out to Dave, Churv, Roman, Live Records, Try 150. Shout out to Gabby G. It's a holiday, guys. Don't force anything. No need to force anything. It's light volume right now. Take your time. Light volume right now. Take your time. We have 5 minutes and it's power hour. Holiday power hour in 5 minutes. Excuse the audio, guys. I don't have my mic with me. Excuse the audio. Bear with me. We're gonna stay on through power hour. Markets close at 1 p.m. guys. Markets close at 1 p.m. for futures. Yo, Upmost, what do you trade and how long have you been trading? Shout out to Upmost in the chat. Upmost, what do you trade and how long have you been trading? Shout out to Upmost in the chat. Shout out to Dave, Chur, Gabby G. Gabby G, Live Records, Roman. Shout out to Roman. Try 150. Try 150. Join the Discord. 5 years. That's good. 5 years trading NQ. Wow. Salute to you. Power hour coming in hot. Bears are trying to curl it back down. Power hour coming in hot. Let's see. Holiday power hour. Let's see if we get any volume coming in. Might not. Might not get anything. We'll see. Power hour, guys. Power hour is here. Appreciate it, Utmost. Uh-oh, we got some bears coming in. Bears are coming in hot. Let's see what the bulls can do. Can they pop things up into the close? We'll see. Markets close at 1, guys. Remember. Can NQ find some support in these FEGs? We got 1 hour FEG overlapping with a 15-minute. See if they can pop it back up. Bears are pressing. Will they push us back down to 22,200? We'll see. Hopefully they find some support in 20s. That trend line down from overnight highs is acting as a wall right now. Yeah, that upper trend line looks like it's holding as resistance. We'll see. It's power hour, guys. Shout out to Holy Earth. Welcome back to the Infinity Show. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, dailies look extended, man. So yeah, there's definitely some bears up here. We'll see. I've seen NQ do some amazing things, man. So right now we're back below VWAP, so we'll see if they continue. Yeah, we've had like a couple rejections at this level, so we will see. We got the emojis. We got the emojis on the chart. We got the emojis on the chart. Hilarious. Let's see if they put if NQ bears push things back down to 22,200. That's where we bounced in the after the open. So we'll see if they want to sweep those levels. Holy Earth, where did you go? Where did you get short at? Off of the upper trend line? Up here? Where'd you get short at? What level? We've got a 15-minute FEG right here. Number 72. Shout out to Eric. What's up? Any plays today? The volume is light, guys. Be careful out there. I played the Open yesterday. Yesterday evening. So I took advantage of those perks. So I was able to eke out 5 to 10 points, and I'm done for the day. Number 72 is in the building. Yeah, we definitely broke out of that bull flag, and now they're using what was support overnight as resistance. I am 99. Okay, Roman. I'm gonna try to remember, guys. Number 99. I'm gonna call Roman 99. Eric is 72. Shout out to you guys, man. I appreciate the support. Let's keep it going. Let's go. Let's keep on going. 72 and 99. I'll remember. But yeah, I hit the open. 2 minis, 10 points in and out, man. Um, so I was explaining to Live Records earlier what I did. So basically, if you go all the way back to the open, I played all of this action. This is like we were playing yesterday's. What was yesterday's close? Or not yesterday's close. Friday's close. It's 22,200 or 22,225. That is Friday's close, right? So I was playing that level. Look at how it acted as resistance off the open, but I was using 22,200 as my compass. If they held that line, I would jump in. I would enter and see if the bulls could challenge Friday's um, Friday's high, and we finally broke through. So I attempted down here. This is my first entry on the first XFA. I got 2 XFAs right now. The first one caught 2 minis to the upside, cut it into Friday's high. Then we pulled back and we retested 22,200 again. They held well with a nice candle to the upside. I got in on this candle above VWAP, rolled it back up, hit it for 200. I'm done for the day. I could have let that one go, but anything, whenever I'm trading like overnight or like the open on a Sunday, I'm in and I'm out. I'm not gonna let it run like I would during the New York session. Like during the regular hours, I'll let that thing run and just move my stop up. But when there's not a lot of volume, the price action is finicky. It could be all over the place. So the first one I used 2 minis. The second play I used 1 mini. 15-point stop to the upside above VWAP. And we had a bunch of FEGs down here too, so I used those as confluence to the upside. But yeah, that's been my day. I got in early, got out early. I was like, look, let's see if I can get the gains before today. Get it late last night and then I'm done. I don't have to worry about anything for today. But yeah, we broke out of that flag pennant at the open, dove hard, man. But look at where we found support, 22,200 once again. So let's see how they ended. It's quote unquote power hour, so let's see what happens. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, but yeah, one thing I've noticed for the 5 minute candles, wait until the next candle and make sure it's gonna hold green, and then use the level of support you were looking at to see if it holds. Possible short if we break retest to 26. Yeah, we're right at a FEG, so we'll see how it reacts. This level right here could get tricky. That 226, yep. So we'll see if we pop back up. Right now, bears are pushing down. They're pushing down off this line right here. We had 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests, 5 tests. That was a big reject right there. And dailies are extended too. There's light volume, so yeah, price action is slow right now. But yeah, you said you got wicked out down here, man. I know. At the open, so you got in at 9. You said 938, right? Yeah. So they pushed you down even further below that 22,200 level, then pop back up. Been there, done that. So now I just wait. Wait for a candle to hold, and then it's less of a headache back to the other side. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Monday. It's a holiday. Take your time out there. Don't force anything. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Let's see if the bulls can pop back up above VWAP. If we pop back above VWAP, then the last 30 minutes could get interesting. We'll see. Either we reclaim VWAP or it acts as resistance. We'll see. 36 minutes left in the markets. Markets close at 1. Keep that in mind. Yeah, right now bears are bearing down. They're defending VWAP. Yeah, ever since this rejection, we've been getting downward pressure. But we'll see. And this area is gonna be, we're gonna figure out where things want to go. But we only have 30 minutes left, so we'll see. They might chop things into the close, and then we might get some bigger moves at the open this evening. Excuse the audio, guys. I don't have my mic. Bear with me. Can the bulls pop things back up? We'll see. 31 minutes left. I'll stay on it with you guys till the close, guys. Let's go. 217. Let's see if we get some volume for the last 30 minutes. "30 minutes left." They're challenging VWAP again. Bulls are pushing. Let's see. Bulls are pushing. Push the OIP. Watch VWAP.
The markets are closed.
turn on? Did it turn on?
Hmm?
Peace. See you tomorrow.